What up, what up, what up, good people? It's your boy BTG, aka Bust Them Guns, coming back at you with a quick tabletop that we're going to rotate right to some range footage, and then we'll come back and do a quick wrap up on this. This is one that I reviewed on the channel, so there is a full tabletop review on this. So the purpose of the review today is kind of just to get some range footage on it, and we'll mix it with just a little slight recap on the tabletop. So this here is my Ruger 2245 Chamberlain 22LR. And this is the Mark IV. So this bad boy here, they come in all sorts of colors: burgundy, purple, ice blue. So I went with the gold for the gold and black theme. The grips on here, these are grips, pearl grips that you can pick up on eBay. So that's something you can easily find. But as far as the other hardware, most of the upgraded hardware is pretty much from Tandem Cross. They have a pretty nice selection of upgrades for these 22s, for the Tars, for the Rugers, for the Browning, so you can get what you need on there. What's been added to this one? Added the Game Changer muscle breaker on the compensator. I'm sorry, Game Changer compensator. I did add the fiber optic sight. That's Tandem Cross. Added the Halo charging ring on there. The sight package comes with an upgraded rear sight, and with the rear sight, you get the option to either go with just the blacked out cutout there, or it does also come with the bird's eye with the peephole. So you can swap this centerpiece out if you want to run the peephole and put that on there. I chose to go with the standard look for the rear, and that's blacked out. For the optic, this here is just a low budget optic I picked up off of our favorite box store. So it gets the job done. This is a green dot. I put it on a slight riser so that I can still use the iron sight, so I can co-witness through that peephole there and still pick up the iron sights. And that's pretty much it as far as upgrades. This gold trigger is the trigger that comes in this model, so that's not a change. But they do have a victory trigger that's a flat face trigger that I will be putting on here. But that's just kind of a quick recap. Don't want to hold you too long on the tabletop. Like I said, I did a full review on this bad boy. Let's jump out to the range. We put some rounds through this bad boy, take a look at the range footage, and then we'll come back in and we'll wrap it up fairly quickly on the tabletop. So let's head out to the range and see some rounds hitting target on this bad boy. All right, good people. We're out here at the range, BTG. Like I said, we're going to put some rounds on target. 22LR. There we go. Let's get you set up. On here. All right, so we're going hot. Let's have some fun with this bad boy. This here is definitely an all-day fun gadget here. Let's get me there. That's gone. The glare on the lens from behind is killing my vision. This bad boy here. We got one stuck in there pretty good too. How about that? Oh wow, what did they do to that round? That usually never happens. Well, let's keep it running. So it's like shooting a torch. So we lined up here. Need to make an adjustment here. Everything's off today. Down some. Wow. It's starting to look like I might ought to skip the rain for the weekend. Just enjoy the holiday. Okay, let's go again. Safety. Shoot a couple more before I say what. A little high. Stay it down. Let's try that. I think that's it. Try that top. See if we're on. Down just a touch more. Alright, let's go to the other side. Engaging that side. I'll lower my grip a little. That's better. So we'll just load a few of these. Put it down. Pop it right there. Pop some more in there. Load other magazines like that, but so that's about. Let's go and load some more of these since we got it in here. Use up these rounds. Rest of them. In there. We'll rock with that. speed up the center a little bit. The big stuff, but you just that'll work. So let's see what we're looking like here. Let's tattoo up that top. Get some more of that red out since we're dialed in. Running now. We'll take that. We'll bring it in and we'll wrap it there. Let's see. Yeah, we finally got it together. That's the 2245 Ruger. Let's take it back to the tabletop. We'll wrap this bad boy right there. I'll see you on the other side. All right, so cool. Welcome back. Range footage, as you can see, this bad boy is accurate. You know, it's dead on. It's a blast to shoot. 22LR, you can shoot all day. The ammo is cheap, and it's just a plinking tool. It's like a toy. It's like a toy, but not a toy. I mean, we obviously know it's a firearm, but I say that to say that it's enjoyable. So it's something you can get out. It's a good training tool for young kids. They can enjoy it, kind of getting them used to firearms, get used to that explosion in the hand, something light like a 22. But these are nice pieces to run. It's all type of accessories. This is just some slight upgrades. But if you look around out there, you see something that they've got the long silencers on there. If you're in a state where you can have that, I mean, it's just all types of accessories for these bad boys. Different designs as far as these slides. So this is a nice platform to play around with, upgrade. Actually, I never showed you that the weapon was clear. So we got empty mag, charging ring, nothing in there. And we'll stick that mag back in there. So this bad boy is a blast, like I say, to shoot. This is the tandem cross bag that you can pick up as well, just to hold your magazines. But the magazines only hold 10. So it's nice to have a collection of magazines when you're at the range, so you can enjoy that fun without spending all the time reloading. This is just a pop open bag, so just a soft case inside. A couple pockets on the other side for storage, additional ammo. Shoulder bag, plus you got the handles. So that's what we're working with as far as storage. Makes it nice and convenient to get it out to the range. But like I say, I'm not gonna hold you long. This is something that's great to practice with. Practice sighting in your iron sights. This rail comes on here, so this is not an add-on. It comes with the rail. I like this style optic on here. It just kind of accents the weapon. Some people run traditional red dots on them, so it's whatever your preference is. Some run a much more low profile setup. So I've had a couple of different optics on here. This is the most recent one. I'll probably change it again, something a little different. There's a lot of new optics out there that's coming out. A lot of low budget, high quality optics. So I'll probably play around with some of those. So you'll probably see this bad boy another time with a different look, or at least a different optic. Probably won't change nothing else other than the trigger. But that's all I wanted to bring you is just kind of a quick run over this. Just as a fun piece for the channel. It's your boy BTG, aka Bust Them Guns. Appreciate you stopping by. Check us out on the other platforms, Instagram, Facebook, at Bust Them Guns. So until then, holla.